Hi, welcome. My name is Ann Mitchell, and I'm a Structured Literacy Interventionist and owner of Tutoring. I help parents who may have a struggling reader between the age of 6 and 10 years old become more confident that they can help support their own child. So here we go. Today, I'm sharing some blending tips and some examples to use with your child. Once your child understands most of the consonant sounds and the vowel sounds, it's time to move on to blending. First, you need a stack of flashcards, whether it's like this, and the link below will be for this card deck, or you can make them your own. Next, there's a certain order that those letters should go in, and I'll link that below as well, how to arrange those. I am also going to have a phonics workshop for parents coming out soon, so the link for that will be below. I know there's a lot of links, but it's best to help you as a parent for your child. Let me share the example of the cards. So this would be at the end. The vowels would be in the middle. And let's see. There. Okay. I had them mixed up. Okay. So that's the first pile. This would be, the vowels would be in the middle and the best for last. Okay. So the first sound would be v, e, sh, vesh. And when you're blending these cards, it doesn't matter if they're real words or they're nonsense words, just like we have here. So you would just flip the cards. Well, this student pile is on with the silent G and the N sound. So that would be N. And then he has some higher vowel teams and then some of the rules like CK can only go after a short vowel sound. So if you have the short vowel sound in the middle, then we can use it. If not, you would just remove that card and it would be N, E, G. Okay. And as we move forward, I am going to share an example of one of my students and I doing a drill that we recently did. And then you will get more of a way of doing it yourself. There we go. Okay, so this is a blending drill. Let's see if it works without our computer glitch.
Kid. Zerch. Jeeth. Ray. Rog. Coop. Pie. Heesh. Ache. Sick.
Okay, now is this correct?
No.
No, what do we need to change?
We need to change the CK because the CK only comes after a short vowel.
That's right, good. So then, what would that one say?
S, A, S, A, same.
Good, perfect.
Add, chat. Corn, corn.
What?
It, fit.
Okay, and if I put the silent E on the end, what would it change to?
Fight, fight.
Good.
Ooks, ooks.
Oops, that's all for that one. Okay,
W, b, wub. Earth, lurth. Yeah.
okay, good. And then the Y as a vowel makes what other two sounds?
I, E.
Perfect. Yay. Change my camera. Okay, nice job. There will be a link for the card arrangements and the phonics workshop for parents wait list. So thank you for joining me today, and I will see you soon.